Direct message not working problem in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if the direct messages are not working on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So whenever you open up the Instagram applications and then you tap on the DMs tab over there, and then you should be able to see a couple of interfaces, and maybe if it's stuck on loading screen and then you're not being able to go ahead and then figure out what the issue is, there are a couple of ways you can fix it. First of all, long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, and from here you can simply scroll down to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. I'll tell you right off the bat, this can't be done on iPhone, so if you're trying to find an iPhone, the only way is to uninstall and reinstall the app to reset the app. Now another thing you can try to do is open up your Play Store, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version, because sometimes that could also be the issue. After you do all this, and also make sure that the internet is working just fine, by the way, and then you go to the DMs tab, it's still not working, then it could be the server issue from Instagram, right? Their servers might currently be broken, they might be trying to fix it, so you might want to check if other people have the same issue, because that could be the issue from Instagram. And until they fix it, temporarily what you can actually use is Instagram Lite. So you can download the Instagram Lite application, available for only Android users on Play Store, and then you can choose to use them temporarily until the main app gets fixed. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.